Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright, today I'm going to teach you guys some shuffle dance moves. Now, basically just wanted to teach you guys some shuffle moves, but then I thought, why not just combine it all and then make it to a full dance, alright? Now, if you're just interested in one specific move, I'll leave the timestamps up here so you can skip to whatever move you want to learn, or you can watch the whole video and learn the full shuffle dance. Let's go. Alright, so this dance is basically just 5 different basic moves. Let me just show you before I break them down, alright? So the first one is this one. Call it the ice kick, alright? The second one is the basic running man. Hey. The third one is the ha ha ha. The fourth one is the wah wah wah. And the last one is the ha 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 ha. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, so the first move, which is this one, boom, 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 boom. Let me just break it down for you. What you want to do is bring up your right leg, whoop, and then you want to jump out like that. Alright, notice how I'm leaning a bit more to this side because most of my weight should be on my right leg, alright? My left leg is just kicking it out here, okay? Now from here, what you want to do is jump up, bringing your left leg up like that, okay? So went from here, jump up. Now, want to jump down to the other side, okay? Now, most of my weight is on my left leg, yeah? Leaning a bit more to my left here, right is just kicking it out. So let me just repeat from the beginning. Right up, jump down, jump, lift up, jump down. Okay, time to practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna try. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, jump, down. Okay, let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, jump, jump. Okay, let's try that a bit faster, alright? 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, jump, jump. And that's basically the move. You can just repeat it over and over again. Boom, boom, boom. You can even move it out more to the side if you want. Okay, but that's basically it. Okay, moving on to move number 2, which is the running man. Let me just show you, it's this one. Hey, hey, hey. Alright, so let me just break it down for you. I'm going to teach you the running man and then we're going to do the transition from moves 1 to 2 afterwards, alright? So, the running man, you're going to have to start with whatever leg in the front. Let's just say the right leg in the front, left leg in the back. Now what you want to do is jump on your right, kicking your left up, alright? Now what you want to do now is jump, your left goes down, right goes to the back, okay? Now what might not be super visible is that the leg in the front, that's the leg you want to have most of your weight on, at least in the beginning. Once you become a bit more pro, you can try to have the weight more distributed between both legs, but in the beginning it's easier to have the weight on the front leg, alright? Because then it's easier for you to jump and do the switch, jump and do the switch. Okay, so just try and practice with me. Right leg in the front, left leg in the back. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go jump. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, and jump. Okay, try again with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, and jump. And that's basically it. You can just keep going forever, and also travel if you want to. Okay? Okay, so once you practice move number 1 and 2 a million times, then let's try to combine it, alright? So, let me just recap here. We did boom, 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 and ta, and ta. Now, we already know how to do this. The transition here to move number 2 is you want to go jump up on your left, kicking your right up. Alright, notice how I'm also facing this side. Okay, let me just show you again. From here, I want to go whoop, and then I want to go down, and then I want to bring my left up, down. So that's 2 running, okay? Let me show you again. Boom, 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 and ha, and ha. Try and practice with me. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, turn around, running man, and running man. Okay, try again with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, running, man. All right, and then we just try to practice faster and faster. Let's do one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, running, man. Okay, the third move I'm going to teach you guys is this one. Okay, let me break it down for you. So what you want to do the first time you do it is you want to bring your right up, and then you want to jump on your left, kicking your right to the front. All right, now this time most of my weight is in the back leg. All right, my right in the front here is just touching with my heel. Okay, so let me just rewind here. I did prep, jump. All right, now from here, next thing you want to do is say jump. What you want to do is jump on your right leg in the front, jump, and then you jump again and kick the left one out. Okay, now the right is in the back. Let me rewind. So from this at the top, I did right prep, right kick in the front, and then I want to jump on the right, and then now the left goes in the front. All right, and then you just continue this. All right, so that's basically another way of doing the shuffle. Now, the sort of the tricky part here is that you want to do a double. So what I mean by double is you want to go and boom. Now you want to jump on your front leg, lifting your back leg like this, and then you want to jump back. Okay, so I'm sure again, boom, jump on the front leg, boom, and then back. It's not super difficult. So boom, 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 and then from here you can continue, jump on your right, keep your left one up, then you do the kick here in the front, and then you can do jump to the front leg, jump back on the back leg. So let's try and practice. We're gonna go and boom, 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 and boom, and boom. Of course, a bit slower, okay? I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna try. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, and back, and switch, front, back. Okay, let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, front, back, and switch, front, back. Now again, feel free to practice on your own at your own pace. Let's just try one last time a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, front, back, and switch, front, back. Now, once you feel comfortable doing move 1, 2, and 3, then let's try to combine it, okay? Let me just do a quick recap here. From move number 1, and bow, and running man, ha, ha. All right, so basically we just do one of number 3, okay? Let me just explain the transitions here. So, and boom, boom, the transition here to running man, boom, boom, transition to number 3, right up, on the heel, jump to the front, jump to the back. And that's basically it. Okay, just try and practice with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, turn, running man, and heel, front, back. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, running man, and heel, front, back. Now again, feel free to practice at your own pace. I'm just gonna do one last time, a bit faster, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, and running man, heel, front, back. Okay, moving on to the fourth move, which is this one. And wop. All right, let me break that down for you. So what you wanna do here, turn to the side. You wanna say prep, bend your knees, bring up your left leg here at the back, and then you want to say jump, kick. Okay, let's rewind. Prep, jump, kick, Now from here, you want to switch. Boom, now the right leg is up. Okay, rewind. Boom, jump kick, switch. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to turn this way around, all right? So you want to go jump, okay? So what I did is I just jumped on my right leg, lifting up my left leg in the back, okay? So when from here, right leg is up, to say turn over, boom, okay? So let me rewind here from the tip to top. Move number 4 is saying prep, left up, left kick to the front, switch, right kick up, and then from here, you want to turn around, jump on right, left goes up in the back. Okay, so when I do it a bit faster, it's gonna look like this. And boom, boom, boom. Okay, try also to use your upper body to say. The last one, you want to force your body to turn this side and then jump. Okay, so boom, 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 boom. We're gonna practice now. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna try 5, 6, 7, 8, and kick, switch, switch. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and switch, switch, switch. Bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and switch, switch, switch. Alright, so once you feel comfortable doing 1, 2, 3, 4, let's try to combine it, okay? I'm just gonna show you how it's gonna look. So it's gonna be like this. And boom, 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 heel, back, and ba, ba, ba. Okay, now let me explain the transitions here. So, this one, running man, boom, boom. Now the transition to 3, heel, back. Now the 4th one, you wanna jump, prep, okay? And then you want to say kick, switch, boom, okay? So when you just do this move alone, you don't do jump prep, all right? You just say prep, bum, bum, bum. But now when we combine it with other moves, we want to do jump prep, bum, bum, bum. Okay? So get ready to practice with me. Now, if you want to just practice the transitions from 3 to 4, you're of course welcome to do that. You can just go 3 and 4 and then practice that over and over. Okay? If you're ready to do 1, 2, 3, 4, let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, run, and heel, front, back, prep, jump, switch, back. All right, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, run, and heel, front, back, prep, jump, switch, back. Now, one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, run, and heel, front, back, prep, jump, switch, boom. All right, guys, move number 5, okay? Let me just show you the one that I'm talking about. So, it's this move. Ba, 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 ba. All right, let me break it down for you. So, the first thing you want to do is turn to the side. Just bring up your left leg, right? Now, from here, what you want to do is a jump kick. The same leg that's in the back, you want to kick it to the front, all right? So, I went from here to here. Notice how I also take a small jump back on my right. Boom, okay? Now from here, you just want to switch, whoop, and now you want to bring the right back as you jump a bit to the front, okay? You always want to go opposite directions. So let me just rewind. You did left up, jump kick, boom, switch, and then kick this one back. All right, let me just show you again a bit faster. I'm doing wah, wah, wah. Try and practice with me. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna try 5. You can hold on to a wall or something else if you need the balance. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, switch, back. Let's try again. 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, jump, kick, switch, back, and 5, 6, 7, jump, kick, switch, back. Now from here you can just repeat the move to the other side. Now the right is in the back. When I do the same thing, jump, kick, switch, now the left goes back. Continue, continue. Alright guys, time to do the full dance. So if you're comfortable with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then let's try to combine it. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna be. It looks like this. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, 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 hey. Wait, wait, wah, 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 and hey. Now, you probably noticed that I put in some extra moves, some filler move, in-between moves, whatever you want to call it, so that it made more sense to the music. All right, so what I did was basically this fourth move here. I just want to do 2 extra jumps, switch, switch, okay? So that's the first one, and then when I did the 5th move, sort of to make it a perfect loop, I just want to jump cross here. The one that's in the back will still be in the back, right? From here, I'm just going to turn around, wait, and then if you want to, you can repeat the whole dance. All right? Okay, let me go through the whole thing again. We're explaining, so I want to say jump, 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 transition to running man, transition to number 3, heel, front, back, transition to 4, boom, boom, boom. Now 2 extra jumps, hey, hey, and then 5th move, hey, boom, boom, hey, and then the last thing is just cross, turn around, hey. Okay, the last thing I want to do is put some counts on to the moves so that you can do it to any type of music, all right? So it goes like this, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Alright, time to practice, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Feel free to practice at your own pace, guys. I just want to do it one last time a bit fast. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.